Let's talk about how to save big on Allegiant Airlines. First of all, go to Allegiant Airlines or AllegiantAir.com. Pick from and to where you're going, your dates. Make sure you click round trip. That's going to give you an extra $20 off for the round trip discount. Make sure you're also logged in if you have an account. Remember, there's this calendar view if you need to kind of check prices. List view, check your times. You can see we got both flights here for $44. I'm going to teach you how to save more. Hit continue. If you need a rental, go ahead and book it. If it's low, like at this point, it's only $135. That's a pretty good price. If you see it go up, you don't have to book the rental now. You can do it later and add it to your trip. So I go ahead and just hit continue through here. Go ahead and add your information. Click continue. I don't really ever pick a seat, especially when I'm traveling by myself, but don't pick your seat until check-in. Wait until check-in, and more than likely they will seat you with your party, so you don't have to buy that seat. If they don't, then just buy one seat, because you'll be set in two different areas, and just buy one seat for one person and put yourself together. Save half the money on seats right there. So that just saved you at least $30 to $60, possibly even $100 to $200, depending on how many people you're traveling with. Go ahead and skip the seats. Yep, that's okay. You can pick the seats at check-in. Obviously no bags. I have a huge carry-on that barely fits into the paid carry-on little slot there, and it's a backpack. If you roll your carry-on, they will charge you an extra $50 at the airport, so go ahead and buy your carry-on beforehand. I don't really like to check luggage because usually it's some time getting it off, so that's like 2 or 4 hours wasted just checking luggage. So do no bags. If you have the Allegiant card, you have priority access. Continue. I do not add TripFlex either. This is another way they add more charges and get it right up into a normal flight that you would take with American Airlines or so. So I do not add TripFlex. First of all, this flight is only costing me $70, $80. When I'm done with it, it may only cost me $60. So it's not worth the $75 change fee or to add the TripFlex. Does that make sense? So don't do it. In over 200 flights in 5 years with Allegiant, I have only canceled one flight. All right, so I do have no points available on my card. That's fine. I'm gonna use my Allegiant card. The other thing you're gonna wanna do is download this app called Honey. Now, if you watched my last video, I said, make sure you subscribe to all the Allegiant offers because they give you $20, $45, $60 off coupons, and that is absolutely the best time to buy. However, they do that individualized for people based on their home airport now. So if you got Honey, you can find these coupons. So here I've installed, you can't do this on a phone, you gotta do it on a computer. I've installed Honey, and there's a link to install Honey in the description. Make sure you click that. And then Honey just automatically applies these coupons. I found a $50 coupon once just because I was an Allegiant card holder. So now Honey's applying all these coupons. Allegiant will say no in the background that it didn't work, but you will save $20. Let's just see how this works. Continue to checkout. It says it didn't work. Fine. I hit continue, but look, the round trip discount is there, and there's that promo code that I just entered. So let's review. Check your dates. I have booked the wrong dates before. Just make sure your dates are correct. I've got the round trip discount here, and then the promo code I just added for Honey that came out of nowhere. I'm getting this flight round trip for $68. I could have got it even cheaper because I had like $30 credit from my Allegiant card, but I just used it up on the flight I bought right before this video. So this is the easiest way to save money with Allegiant. Make sure you download Honey. I'm gonna use my Allegiant MasterCard. I've read the terms and conditions. I'm gonna hit purchase my trip. That's how you save money on Allegiant. I hope this saves you money, and please post in the comments how much money you saved by watching this video. Thanks.